Okay, One UI 5 Beta 2 is here. Let's see if they fixed notification panel lag and what are the big changes. The biggest changes visually is the new icons. Finally they did it. The phone dialer has a new icon, the messaging app, calendar app, gallery, settings, contacts, game launcher and AR zone. And finally, Bixby. Just kidding, even Samsung themselves aren't using Bixby. Second, the notification panel has some new design changes with those big icons and a cleaner look overall. But more importantly is that they fixed, yes you heard that right, they fixed the notification panel lag. Scrolling through notification is so smooth now. Also, they added an option Active Apps, which basically shows you apps that are too long running in the background. The design of the pop-up notification style has a better look as well. A big one is color palette. It has more color combinations to choose. The colors are more present in more places in the UI, like in setting menus. The volume panel also changes colors based on your wallpaper, and so on. And also, now when you apply the palette to icons, they will have a new look. The look will change when you are in dark mode or in light mode. Stackable widgets also received some big new changes. So now you can stack widgets just by dragging them in top of other widgets, just like on iOS. Samsung with One UI 5 added smart suggestions as well. This one is great because it will suggest you apps that you recently used. Surely it will earn a place in my home screen setup. Samsung redesigned the Fingerprint Setup menu with new suggestions on how you should set the fingerprint to work better. Also some new cool animations when placing your finger on screen. I will drop a more detailed video on all One UI 5 animations. I might publish it on Monday, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. The next big change is that you can copy text directly from photos just by holding your finger on it. Really like this one. Now there is an option that lets you disable RAM+. For some people this feature caused a lot of problems on their phones. This one is for Ice Universe. The camera opening isn't lagging anymore, at least on Beta 2. Also switching between lenses is much smoother than on One UI 4. The phone app has also received a new update. The call background has a new design. The weather app has some cool new changes too. I noticed changes on lock screen as well. If you choose to add any text on lock screen, now the text shows in the bottom of the screen. Notifications in details mode receive design changes as well. Samsung also added new emojis on One UI 5. The Samsung keyboard has a new button that makes the keyboard smaller for one-handed use. Under more typing options, there is a new option called Enhanced Accuracy that will improve typing with your Samsung keyboard. Multitasking. I didn't use this feature as often as I do now with One UI 5. Samsung now added 2 gestures to help with multitasking. The first one is to swipe for split screen, so use 2 fingers to launch another app. Or the second option is to swipe from the top corner towards the middle of the screen to change the pop-up view. Last but not least is the intelligent Wi-Fi option. This one switches automatically to Wi-Fi networks that are faster or more stable than your current network. This feature isn't working in Beta 2, but let's hope that they fix this in the final version. If you have noticed any other feature that I forgot to mention, then comment down below. And also if you want to watch more content on One UI 5, then click this playlist.